Your parents built wealth by saving cash in a bank account. If you do the exact same thing in 2026, you are mathematically guaranteeing your own poverty. Every single day your money sits stagnant in a checking or traditional savings account, an invisible economic thief drains your purchasing power with mathematical precision. Have you ever asked yourself why banks want your deposits so badly? They pay you 0.5% in interest, and immediately lend that exact same capital out at 9, 12, or 20%. The fundamental mistake of the middle class is confusing currency with wealth. Fiat currency is a melting ice cube designed to lose value over time. Real capital is productive ownership. Government reports will claim inflation is 3 or 4%. But when you look at the expansion of the money supply, housing prices, medical care, and groceries, your real cost of living doubles every decade. If you leave $100,000 in cash in a safe for 10 years, you still have 100,000 pieces of green paper. But that paper now only buys $40,000 worth of goods. People hold cash because it feels safe emotionally. But holding cash is the only financial decision with a guaranteed, 100% mathematical loss every single year. To make matters worse, the government taxes the nominal interest you earn on high-yield accounts, penalizing you even further while inflation devours the principal. Excess cash sitting in your bank account also triggers psychological vulnerability. When money is too accessible, your brain's subconscious finds excuses to spend it on lifestyle upgrades. Look at how the top 1% manage their money. Billionaires and elite investors hold virtually zero idle cash. Every dollar has an immediate tactical assignment. They immediately convert melting paper currency into hard, productive assets, dividend-paying global companies, commercial real estate, energy infrastructure, and cash-flowing businesses. The wealthy use inflation as a wealth-building weapon. When inflation rises, the revenue and value of their assets automatically scale upward, while the real cost of their fixed-rate debt diminishes. This is the law of velocity. Money that stays in motion compounds and expands. Money that sits idle decays and dies. So how do you replace the cash trap? Step 1. Build a strict tactical runway. Keep exactly 3 to 6 months of baseline living expenses in a liquid Treasury money market fund, and not a single penny more. Step 2. Establish an automated payday deployment engine. The minute your salary hits your account, automatically sweep every single dollar above your runway into broad market productive assets. Step 3. Target asymmetric assets. Focus on vehicles that produce both capital appreciation and cash flow, like low-cost global index funds and real estate that pays you monthly dividends. Consider the mathematical proof over 20 years. $50,000 left in a savings account shrinks to $30,000 in real purchasing power. That same $50,000 invested in productive assets grows to over $330,000. When you own assets, you are on the winning side of inflation. Companies raise their prices to match inflation, and you collect the profits as an owner. Never forget the golden rule: cash is a tool for daily transactions, never a vessel for storing long-term wealth. The middle class saves paper and loses freedom. The wealthy accumulate productive ownership and achieve sovereignty. When you understand the mathematical rules of the economic engine, inflation stops being a threat and becomes your greatest competitive advantage. Your objective is not to accumulate piles of depreciating cash. Your mission is to build an unshakable fortress of freedom. Stop letting the banking system profit off your ignorance. Hit the subscribe button, join Caius Invests, and let us decode the mathematical laws of real wealth. Stop saving currency. Start owning the world.